Everyone, so about today, it is about how you can start your digital marketing program as a beginner friendly, with no tech skills or whatever. I'm going to guide you through this and I'm going to help you. By the way, my name is Scarlett. Let me just introduce myself. I'm a mother of two, I live on a farm, and I'm 23 years old. We farm for Rainbow, we do KFC chickens and all that stuff. It's quite awesome. And we do cattle as well, and a little bit sheep on the sideline. But why I started this digital marketing journey is because we were tired of that 9 to 5 grind or that 8 to 5 grind, and we wanted something different, like a side hustle. But yeah, we wanted to get rid of that extra jobs. We wanted to be able to afford things that we love and have more quality time with our families. So we searched for something and we found this digital marketing journey, and you guys, it is life changing and absolutely so worth it. So my goal for now is I want to help as many families as I possibly can to do the same. So that is why my topic about today is beginner friendly digital marketing journeys, because I know it's quite scary because I had no tech skills when I started this, and I'm not very good with social media. So I just took the leap of faith, and I decided, let me just try this, otherwise I'm never going to know, because we wanted a different thing. So I came across this digital marketing thing, and yeah, I started this program. I'm 2 months in, and I'm already seeing so much progress in this journey. So that's why I want the same for you guys. So why I picked today's topic about digital marketing for beginners is this is as simple as 1, 2, 3, you guys. So once you purchase one of the 4 programs, there's 4: the $100, 300, 600, and $900. So once you purchase one of these programs, and by the way, let's say you purchase the $100 one, it's the launch pad. Once you purchase that one, you can always upgrade to the other ones, and then you have more income streams. So let's say you buy the $900 one, you have 4 different income streams, and inside of the $600 and $900 one, they teach you how you can earn more. You can get more income streams. So they teach you how you can create your own stuff and even create your own community. Our digital growth community, we also have a community as well. We are we're almost 40,000 members in it, so it's quite awesome, growing by the day. So why I wanted to help as many families as possible is because I know how it feels like to have so little time with your family, and you're always stressing about money. So my goal is for you to also have financial freedom and time freedom to do the things that you love and be able to afford them. So first of all, you're going to purchase one of these programs, and then then you're going to get a set of trainings where they show you exactly step by step on what you need to do and how this works and how you can get to daily pay. I mean, we have 6, 7, even 8 income earners in our community, which is awesome because, where in this world, in a normal job, you can get to 7 figures in like 6 months or 8 months. I think we have like 11 millionaires in South Africa at the moment because of digital marketing, and it's insane. It's under a year that people are achieving this, and so yeah, that's what my goal is for you to also achieve this. So yeah, so when you get your set of trainings, you start your program, you're part of our community, and inside of our community we have Zoom replays, Zoom meetings, and live Q&A questions, live Q&As where you can ask your question and you can go further in doing everything you need to do. And inside of the trainings, they show you how you can set up your website, so you do not have to be a tech genius when you start this. You don't have to be scared or anything, because we have your backs 24/7, because we are a community of almost 40,000 members. That's a lot. So with whatever questions you have, we will answer you and we will help you and guide you through this, so you also can get to daily pay and get to those goals and dreams that you have. So yeah, this is quite awesome, and if you're ready for this, please go to my link where my website, scarlettdailypay.com, and you can start your successful journey with digital marketing, because all the trainings show you how you can become successful. You are part of our community, and we help you and guide you to where you want to be and where you need to be. So have a great day, have an awesome weekend, and I appreciate you guys. Have a lovely day.